Assemble your Christmas village. Here's how. First step, unbox your kit. This kit has 3 cookie houses: Angel's Abode, Santa's Workshop, and Snowman's Lodge. Put together all the cookie panels per house and set aside one board for every house. Angel's Abode has 2 front and back cookie panels and 2 roof panels. Santa's Workshop has 2 roof panels, 2 front and back panels, and 2 side panels. Snowman's Lodge has only 1 roof panel, front and back panels, a short cookie panel for one side, and a longer one for the other side. Prepare your royal icing. Add 12 to 13 tablespoons of water to the royal icing mix. Start beating slowly to allow the water to moisten the sugar. Increase to high speed for around 7 to 10 minutes with the mixer until you achieve this nice thick consistency. Transfer the icing to the bags provided in the kit. Mix the royal icing just before your cookie decorating party. This kind of icing dries up, so please cover your bowl with a damp towel while you decorate. It's best to let the cookie houses dry at least 6 hours before you decorate them. Here's how to build each cookie house. Watercolor your fondant toppers. Dampen them with a little water to prepare for painting. Dip your brush on any of the color bricks to activate the watercolor. Clean your brush in between colors. Arrange the candies and fondant toppers all around the cookie houses and decorate. Here's how we decorated ours. Let the houses set for at least 6 hours to dry. Enjoy your all-edible Christmas village.